What's up everyone, Nathan here from Myimtips.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Google Analytics for your YouTube channel. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so all you have to do is stay with me. But first, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos like this on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Alright, so if you're not familiar with Google Analytics, then it's definitely time to be it right now, because Google Analytics is free first of all, but a fantastic tool to see where your website visitors come from, what pages they visit, how long they stay there. There is so much information that you get actually with Google Analytics. And best of all, you can set this up for your YouTube channel also. Now, while we do get some pretty good data information these days with the Studio Beta for YouTube, which I know of course, I still think it's worth to sign up because there are still a few metrics that it is not covered in the beta version. So you get much more information actually by signing up for Google Analytics here. You definitely get a much better overview in overall for your channel there by signing up to Google Analytics. Now in the future, I don't know how it will look. The new version of YouTube, they might implement this and have it covered in the beta version or something like that. But for today, I still think it's worth to have it implemented, and that's what I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step right here. So with that being said, let's get started with setting up our Google Analytics for our YouTube channel. So the first thing that you need to do is you can just go to actually Google and type Google Analytics here. If you haven't never signed up, they will ask you a few simple questions in the beginning. I have already signed up for all my Gmail accounts, so you get it as a free actually as soon as you start up with your Gmail. And the same goes for the YouTube channel. I mean, it's free to set up, so you just go to Google Analytics as I do right here, and here actually I have arrived to my account right now. Now you can see here at the top that these are from the last 7 days. Just to give you a quick overview of a few statistics, I do have 78 users that has visited one of my sites here. I do blur out some details here for security reasons, but this is really cool. I can see what time they have visited my site here. You can see here this is January the 14th, this is the 18th, so it goes up and down. I can go in and see audience overview. Let me just see if I can get anything in more detail here. There you see. So I can sort out with the demographics, country, city, browser, operating system. There are so many statistics here that I can get with the Google Analytics that will definitely help me a lot, because if I want to set up a campaign, for example, I know where to target and what to target actually. Let me see here. Yeah, you can see what kind of a traffic you're getting. You get referral here, social, direct, organic. And I can also go to the acquisition report here if I open it in a new tab. Let me see here, there you have it. So you can see here 72% were actually referral traffic that I got here to this website. Social traffic is about 75%. We have the direct traffic and some organic search there. This is the users, referral. So I hope you realize the importance of having Google Analytics to your site there. No need for me to go further into details, it would just take too long here. Okay, how well do you retain users also? So this is just, I haven't scratched the surface here, to be honest. So there is so many things. But for today, as I said, we're going to focus on set this up for our YouTube channel. So basically what we need to do is we go down here to the admin.
And you just go here to the top where it says create account. So I want to create, what would you like to track? Now if it is a mobile app or a website, we keep it for website, and you will name it here. So we'll name it Easy Way Web Marketing YouTube channel. Okay. And website name, now if it is for a website you will definitely name it something. I will keep it like this. Now we need the website URL, and that means that we need to go to our channel here. How do we get it? So here I am at my channel. Basically you just find it by going to my channel here, and what we are going to do here is we're going to copy this. So we just copy the link on the top here. Let's go back here. And we need to actually remove this HTTPS, but we are going to put it here, so there's no need for it to have it twice there. Industry category, you can see that there is a lot of categories here. So I need to pick one, obviously. Now this is in my channel is in my Make Money Online, so I will keep it with business and industrial market. And now we need also the reporting time zone, wherever you're located. So I'm located in Greece. There you have it, and it is GMT +2 Greece time. Leave this all checked, okay, it is recommended. And now you actually need, you can see here also you have access to one account, the maximum is 100. Now I need to get my tracking ID. I do need to accept, you must first accept for your country region, so let's go here again, Greece, and you will need of course to accept here. Alright, there you have it. So now I have a tracking ID. I have blurred it out probably when you're seeing this video here. So if it is a global site tag, this is nothing that interests us. We actually want just this tracking ID right here at the top. And the next thing that we want to do is we go to our YouTube channel here. So now keep in mind that when I'm recording this video, the studio beta is still on here. They haven't switched. They will do it, I don't know exactly when, probably very soon. But for now you need to go to the classic and you need to go to advanced here. So if you go to advanced, all you have to do is actually insert your Google Analytics property ID here. And that's about it. So you hit the save. And now we are done. So you will need definitely to wait 24 to 48 hours to get in your first stats there. But just to give you an idea, and you can see that I have actually Easy Way Web Marketing YouTube here. So I have to go here, and of course there is no stats because I just added it right now. So you will need to wait 24 to 48 hours to get back with some stats there.
Alright, there you have it. Really easy to set up Google Analytics for your YouTube channel in 2019. Now if you got some value out of this video, I really do appreciate if you hit the like button below. There is a link in the description below for my #1 recommendation on how to earn an income online. And most important, before you leave, at the end screen here, you will find 2 channel recommendations. One is this, Myimtips, and the second one is Easy Way Web Marketing, where I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis. So I highly suggest you to subscribe to both these channels. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.